Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss some important MCQ questions based on the previous year question paper patterns, and today's topic is classification of living organisms. So let's begin. The first question is, which of the following is not a correct statement about the concept of species? The প্রজাতির ধারণা সম্পর্কে নিম্নলিখিত কোনটা সঠিক নয়? Members of a species can interbreed. They produce fertile offspring. Members of different species can freely interbreed. They have similar morphological features. So among them, wrong statement is that the members of different species can freely interbreed. This is a wrong statement. The system of classification proposed by Carl Woese is based on. The Carl Woese যে প্রস্তাবিত যে শ্রেণীবিন্যাস সেটা কিসের উপর ভিত্তি করে তৈরি করা হয়েছিল? Cell structure, evolutionary relationship, RNA sequence, mode of nutrition. The classification proposed by the Carl Woese was based on the rRNA sequence of different organisms. He divided the organisms into three major domain, three domain classification was given by Carl Woese. যেখানে মধ্যে archaea, bacteria and eukaryotic organism was classified based on the 16S rRNA sequence. Who introduced the system of binomial nomenclature? দ্বিনাম পদ্ধতিটা কে প্রবর্তন করেন? Aristotle, Linnaeus, Darwin, Haeckel. The binomial nomenclature was given by Carolus Linnaeus. যেখানে মধ্যে দুইটা কম্পোনেন্ট থাকবে, একটা স্পিসিস আর একটা থাকবে জেনাস. These two components represent the binomial nomenclature of an organism. The term systematics refers to, systematic শব্দটা বলতে কি বোঝায়? Study of fossils, study of classification and relationship among organisms, study of ecological systems, study of tissue. The systematic basically refers to the study of relationship among organism, relationship and classification of organism. That includes evolutionary relationship, classification and nomenclature. The five kingdom classification was proposed by, যে পাঁচ রাজ্যের যে শ্রেণীবিন্যাস কে প্রস্তাব করেন? Whittaker, Linnaeus, Aristotle, Haeckel. The five kingdom classification was given by R.H. Whittaker in 1969. He divided the organisms into five kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. The main criteria used by Whittaker for classification was, the Whittaker যে শ্রেণীবিন্যাসে সেটা কি ব্যবহার করে তৈরি করা হয়েছিল? Cell structure, mode of nutrition, rRNA structure, body symmetry. The Whittaker classification was mainly based on the mode of nutrition. That is autotrophic, heterotrophic. Next question is, which among the following are acellular organism? এর মধ্যে কোনটা অকোষীয় জীব? Fungi, virus, bacteria, protista. So among them, virus are acellular. They do not contain a proper cellular structure. Virus differ from living organisms in that virus মানে জীবিত জীবের থেকে ভিন্ন কারণ হলো কিসের জন্য? Cannot reproduce on their own, have DNA and RNA both, are multicellular, are autotrophic. So among them, virus differs living organisms that they cannot reproduce by their own. They only can reproduce when inside the living host cell. Next is, the smallest infectious agent that causes disease in plants. উদ্ভিদের মধ্যে রোগ সৃষ্টিকারী সবচেয়ে থেকে ক্ষুদ্রতম সংক্রামকজনক পদার্থ কোনটা? ভাইরাস, ভাইরয়েড, ব্যাকটেরিওফাজ, মাইকোপ্লাজমা. So among them, viroid is a smaller than virus that contains circular RNA. circular RNA that is responsible for different types of disease in plants. Prions are infectious agents composed of. The prions টা একটা সংক্রামকজনক পদার্থ যা কি দিয়ে তৈরি? DNA only, RNA only, protein only, lipid and protein. The prions are made up of only protein. They are infectious protein. The correct sequence of taxonomic hierarchy is, taxonomic hierarchy যে সঠিক ক্রমটা কি হবে? Class, order, family, genus, species, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, kingdom, class, phylum, order, family, species, phylum, kingdom, class, order, family, genus and species. So among them the option B is correct. Kingdom, then phylum, then class, then order, then family, then genus, then species. Next, who is known as the father of taxonomy? শ্রেণীবিন্যাসের জনক কাকে বলা হয়? Theophrastus, Linnaeus, Darwin, Aristotle. So father of taxonomy is known as the Linnaeus. Father of taxonomy is Carolus Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus is known as father of taxonomy. The study of classification of organism is called. জীবের যে শ্রেণীবিন্যাসের যে অধ্যয়নটাকে কি বলা হয়? ইকোলজি, ট্যাক্সোনমি, মরফোলজি, সাইটোলজি. The classification of organisms that includes in the field of taxonomy, that includes identification, naming and classification of organisms. Who classified animals into those with red blood and those with without or white blood? এই শ্রেণীবিন্যাসটা কে করেছিল যাদের মধ্যে লাল রক্ত আর লাল রক্তবিহীন? লিনিয়াস, এরিস্টটল, হেকেল, ওয়েটেকার. The two kingdom classification are like the animals with red blood and the white blood. This classification was developed by Aristotle. Which one is not a taxonomic aid? এর মধ্যে থেকে কোনটা taxonomic aid নয়? Herbarium, botanical garden, museum, microscope. So among them microscope is not a taxonomic aid. It is an laboratory instrument. Botanical gardens are used for যে উদ্ভিদদের উদ্যান কিসের জন্য ব্যবহার করা হয়? Displaying preserved animals, growing and identifying living plants, studying fossils, animal classification. The botanical garden basically used for the growing and identifying living plants. Which of the following is used to store dried plant specimens? এর মধ্যে থেকে শুকনা উদ্ভিদের নমুনা সংরক্ষণের জন্য কোনটা ব্যবহার করা হয়? Herbarium, zoo, museum, aquarium. So among them the correct answer is herbarium, where dried, then press, then mounted on sheet. These preserved materials are preserved inside a room known as herbarium with proper identification details. The first word of a scientific name denotes. The বৈজ্ঞানিক নামের প্রথম শব্দটাকে কি বোঝায়? Species, genus, family, order. So in case of binomial nomenclature, the first word of the scientific name represents the genus, then species. Suppose for example Allium cepa, that is onion. The Allium is genus, cepa is species. The three domain classification system includes. যে তিনটা ডোমেইন সিস্টেমটার মধ্যে কি কি অন্তর্গত আছে? Monera, Protista, Animalia, Archaea, Bacteria, Eukarya, Plantae, Fungi, Animalia, Virus, Viroids, Prions. The three domain classification that was developed by Carl Woese, that includes Archaea, Bacteria and Eukarya. হুইচ কিংডম ইনক্লুডস প্রোক্যারিওটিক অর্গানিজমস, এর মধ্যে কোন রাজ্যে প্রোক্যারিওটিক জীব অন্তর্ভুক্ত? মোনেরা, প্রোটিস্টা, ফাঞ্জাই, প্লান্টি। সো অ্যামং দেম the prokaryotic organisms are included in the Monera kingdom, that includes bacteria and cyanobacteria or also known as blue green algae. The first step in taxonomy is, taxonomy প্রথম ধাপ কি? nomenclature, classification, identification, taxonomic hierarchy. The first step of taxonomy is identification. Viruses are placed between living and non-living because the ভাইরাসকে জীবিত এবং অজীবিত বা জড়ের মধ্যবর্তী পর্যায়ে রাখা হয় কেন? They contains ribosome, they can grow without host, they can reproduce only inside host, they are autotrophic. So the major difference between the viruses and the living organisms are that they can reproduce only inside the living host. They are dead outside the living host cell. So this is the major important place where it can be differentiated into living and non-living features. Which taxonomic category includes organisms of closely related genera? এর মধ্যে থেকে কোনটার মধ্যে যে গণসমূহ, যে নিকটবর্তী গণসমূহকে একসাথে রাখা হয়? ফ্যামিলি, অর্ডার, ক্লাস, স্পিসিস। সো যে genus are included, the closely related genus are included in a family that contains closely related genera. The term taxonomy was coined by, the taxonomy শব্দটা কে ব্যবহার করে? এপি ডি ক্যান্ডোলি, লিনিয়াস, Darwin, Whittaker. The term taxonomy was coined by A.P. D. Candolle. Which of the following is not included in five kingdom classification? যে পঞ্চরাজ্যে যে শ্রেণীবিন্যাস তার মধ্যে নিম্নলিখিত কোনটা অন্তর্ভুক্ত নয়? Monera, Protista, Virus, Plantae. So among them, inside the five kingdom classification, viruses were not included. Viruses are acellular organism that were not included inside the five kingdom classification. So with that we came to end of this MCQ solving sessions. So do stay tuned for similar type of MCQ solving sessions in the future, and do subscribe and like, share and comments. Thank you all.